East Coast News at 11.
New tonight at 11, the Supreme Court says amen to certain uses of prayer in government in a landmark First Amendment case.
The decision will define the separation or even intersection of church and state for decades to come. Our Michelle Casada joins us live to show you how it will impact your life. Michelle?
Shannon, Heather, City Hall meetings have been led with prayer for decades. Years ago, after a long battle within the school board, Clay County voted to allow prayer at the flagpole before the start of the school day. And Bradford County put the 10 Commandments next to the courthouse for all to see. So religion has had its place in our government for centuries. And once again, the court has placed it in our society. For centuries, religion has existed outside of church walls, and for the second time in history, the U.S. Supreme Court has upheld prayer in government functions, specifically meetings.
The Supreme Court did have a case back in 1983, was the actual last case in which they had before them prayer at the beginning of legislative sessions, and it was the Nebraska legislature.
In Marsh versus Chambers, the court said the legislature had the right to fund a chaplain to lead prayer. But in a 1992 decision, the court voted to ban prayer at school graduation ceremonies. Justice Kennedy wrote the majority opinion.
He indicated there was a distinction here because here in town meetings, you're dealing with adults and you're dealing with people that can get up and leave if they don't like what they're hearing.
That's not the case for children in school.
Hey, Lord, may she have...
Years ago, Clay County Schools had its own battle on allowing adult-led flagpole prayers before the start of the school day. Prayer in schools is still a violation of the U.S. Constitution, which says Congress cannot make a law to respect the establishment of religion or prohibit its free exercise. And that was a primary factor in Monday's court decision about government meetings. The court could not censor religion altogether. Now, we want you to join the conversation. Tell us what you think on our First Coast News Facebook page. Do you agree with the court's decision, and why or why not? Reporting live from City Hall, Michelle Casada, First Coast News, NBC 12, ABC 25.
Michelle, thank you.